Okay, we're at River Walk Park, and this is the dam going down to it. And they have a walkway here also. Trixie, you want to get out, sweetie? You want to get out and walk at the park here? This is River Walk Park in Columbia, Tennessee. Trixie, you want to get out, sweet girl? Okay. We're going to walk out to the dam. It's a long bridge here. Trixie and I just found out you can't walk out there. It's blocked off. So we'll have to do a video from up here. It's a beautiful waterfall down there. Love the sound of water. This is the most fun I have at these parks, is watching her. She is just in her element. Pee, doo-doo, smells. She loves to walk. I just wished I was more athletic. Trixie, where are you at? So we just run into a beautiful big dog, and I was scared of it. Yes. Big dog. So we're still on this Riverwalk Park. It's a walking trail here in Columbia. So we walked a good ways away from the car. Where's my car? There it is. Trixie's pulling on a lead. Oops. There it is. This is the sign that goes with it, displaying all the areas to walk and to go by the park.